Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on heavy or light. Students can be given opportunities to experience many objects that are either light or heavy. They will be able to distinguish many of these objects by sight. For other objects, they may be asked to compare them by lifting them. We can also teach them the two words heavier or lighter. They need to know that these words are used when two objects are being compared. Let's look at some simple examples. Students can be asked to circle the heavy objects, and we hope that when they look at these 5 pictures, they'll be circling the car and this big boulder here. We would explain to them that that's a picture of a real car, not a toy, and that is a real boulder. And we know that the feather, the dice, and the pen, they're very light. Ask students to draw 2 heavy objects and 2 light objects. Students can be asked to colour the heavy objects blue and the light objects red. So we hope that they will be covering the truck blue and also the battery, and we explain to them that these are real objects, they're not toys, and the light bulb and the pen, they are also the pencil, they're very light, aren't they? So they'll be colouring them red. So these are just examples, and you can do many other drawings and approach this question in many different formats. Students can name 2 heavy objects in each of the following places: the home, the classroom, the shopping centre, the playground, the park. For example, the home, they could say the fridge. For the classroom, they might say the teacher's desk, etc., etc. And the same here. Name 2 light objects in each of the following places, and you can sort of name many other places if you like, and you can phrase this question in many other different ways. So the video has been a very basic introduction to the idea of light and heavy, and students have been able to compare 2 objects, whether they're light or heavy. It's very important because it's a concept which is all around us in everyday life, and students really must know about it.